Types of hackers. Black hat hackers. Black hat hackers are cybercriminals who illegally crack systems with malicious intent. Seeking to gain unauthorized access to computer systems is the definition of black hat hacking. Once a black hat hacker finds a security vulnerability, they try to exploit it, often by implanting a virus or other type of malware, such as a trojan. Ransomware attacks are another favored ploy that black hat hackers use to extort financial gains or breach data systems. White hat hackers. White hat hackers are ethical security hackers who identify and fix vulnerabilities. By hacking into systems with the permission of the organizations they hack into, white hat hackers try to uncover system weaknesses in order to fix them and help strengthen a system's overall security. Many cybersecurity leaders started out as white hat hackers, but the vital role played by ethical hacking is still widely misunderstood, as made clear by a recent ethical hacking case in Germany. Gray hat hackers. Gray hat hackers may not have the criminal or malicious intent of a black hat hacker, but they also don't have the prior knowledge or consent of those whose systems they hack into. Nevertheless, when gray hat hackers uncover weaknesses such as zero-day vulnerabilities, they report them rather than fully exploiting them. But gray hat hackers may demand payment in exchange for providing full details of what they uncover.